I got this E14 error code on this Electrolux often after replacement of the user interface board, which is located right here. This unit was getting E15 error code. The other day when I went through diagnostic, I found that this was the problem, which is called user interface board, and of course the part number is there. I replaced it and then boom, I got E14 error code. So when you get E14 error code, don't get panicked. Get a flashlight, turn it on. You see these 3 ribbon cables that they go on the user interface board? They actually come from the top. And if you look at the top there, I have a loose connection right there, you see? I don't know if you can see it or not. So with the flashlight, you're holding it, retight your ribbon cables back in and reconnect it. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I turn on the heater. Because anytime you're working on the 15 error code that you're replacing that user interface board, of course you're opening these ribbon cables, you're removing them. If you remove it and you put a little bit pressure on it, it causes the ribbon cable to come off from that corner right there. Let me see if I can show you. See the way it looks? And the same thing can happen on that one and this one. This one is the very common one because this ribbon cable actually attaches towards the ceiling. Those other ones, they kind of bend down, they go up and then bend down. So there's good chance that you're not gonna have issues with this one. And this ribbon cable exactly goes the same way. So it goes up and then it comes down. But the center one actually goes up and it stays there. When you're removing it, you're kind of pulling it down, and that's how it falls down, and then you get the E14 error code. Even the user manual or the tech sheet is telling you to check all of these cables. If these cables are good, you're also checking these cables. But I have nothing to do with this because I did not remove any of these. I did not disturb any of those. This was my main point here. So if you check your ribbon cables, the tech sheet is telling you, if you check all of these from here to there, from here to there, from this one to there, if they're all okay, then you have to replace your display board, which is this one. This board is called display board. You don't have to replace that. And if you replace your display board and ribbon cables are good, then there's nothing else except this main control board. This main control board is about $1,500 plus tax. So this video is showing you that if you get E14 after E15 UAB replacement or any other repair, then you already know that you made a mistake here. Thank you so much.